With data entry rules, account owners and organization administrators can fine-tune how documents uploaded via ApprovalMax Capture are processed. Instead of relying solely on OCR extracted values, you can create rules that automatically override recognized data for a specific supplier or customer. To set up such rules, go to Workflows and Settings and open the contact details. Select a contact from the list to view and configure tailored rules. If a contact is both a supplier and a customer, you can apply different rules accordingly. There are 3 types of data entry rules: document coding rules, document split rules, and conditional line coding rules. Let's take a closer look with an example for each one. Document coding rules let you set default values, like the account, tax rate, region, or currency for a particular supplier or customer. When ApprovalMax Capture extracts the data, these rules will override the OCR values with the ones you predefined. For example, say you want all invoices from Bank West to be paid on the 10th of the month and the currency fixed as pounds. With a document coding rule, you can automatically apply those settings to every invoice coming from this supplier. Document split rules let you replace the line items extracted by ApprovalMax Capture with your own custom setup. You can enter fixed amounts for item costs, or use percentages to spread an invoice total across different accounts, tax codes, or regions. For example, imagine a supplier who sometimes charges you different amounts for consulting services, but in your accounting, you always want this cost to be fixed at £500. With a fixed amount rule in place, ApprovalMax will override such invoices and set the amount to £500 whenever a line with consulting services is detected. Or, say you want to split the costs for consulting services across 2 accounts, 50% to consulting and 50% to other revenue. You can set up a percentage amount rule so that whenever that description is found, the invoice total is divided equally across these 2 accounts. Finally, conditional line coding rules let you automatically code line items based on keywords in their description. For example, you want all invoices related to a new project to be billed under a specific account and tax rate. Then you could create a rule called Special Project Expenses, set the line item description to contain Special Project, and map it to the account and tax rate you prefer for this project. Now, any invoice line containing Special Project in its description will be billed under those selections. None of these rules are set in stone. You can edit or remove them anytime. Just go back to the contact details, find your rule and click Edit or Delete, and that's it. Setting data entry rules for ApprovalMax Capture means fewer manual fixes and faster approvals, so your team spends less time correcting data and more time on the work that matters. Thanks for watching.